In today's episode, we're diving into a critical question. Is real estate investment in 2024 a wise choice or a potential pitfall? We're here to dissect the topic with detailed analysis and insights, so let's dive in. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Bagosh with DoorLoop. First, let's explore why some investors are expressing caution. A major concern is the significant rise in home values. The latest data from late 2022 reveals that the national median home price soared to $416,000, marking an 11% increase from the previous year. This surge isn't just an isolated figure. It's part of a broader trend that greatly escalates investment risks. Coupled with this, we've witnessed the mortgage rate skyrocketing, with the average rate of a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage hitting a 15-year high of 7.08% in October 2022. The blend of steep purchase costs and costly financing options is understandably daunting for many. Another factor contributing to market hesitation is uncertainty. The ripple effect of recent global events has led to fluctuating markets, rendering the prediction of long-term returns more complex. The issue of overvaluation is increasingly concerning, and in various regions, property prices are significantly higher than sustainable levels, raising fears of market correction or even a real estate bubble. However, you shouldn't be too alarmed because it's important to look at both sides of the coin. Now, historically, real estate has proven to be a strong investment. In the long term, property values tend to appreciate. Now, this trend has been especially evident in the past decade, with consistent growth observed in numerous markets. Additionally, real estate can offer avenues of passive income, especially through rental properties, which adds to its allure as an investment option. And another significant benefit is diversification. Real estate can provide balance in your investment portfolio, offering a counterweight to the volatility often seen in stocks and bonds. Now, the tax benefits associated with real estate are noteworthy as well. For example, investors can leverage deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, and certain operational expenses, particularly in the context of rental properties. And this can significantly increase the overall investment returns over time. Now, the aspects of leverage in real estate investing is unique and noteworthy as well. It allows investors to use borrowed funds to potentially enhance their investment returns. And while this can also introduce an element of risk, it can also exponentially increase potential gains. The critical factor here is the effective management and understanding of risk. So with that said, embracing a long-term perspective is crucial when it comes to real estate investing. Historical data indicates that despite temporary market dips, real estate usually appreciates over time. For example, a retrospective over the last 30 years shows that the median home price in the US has consistently risen, with only brief periods of decline. Now, the final decision on whether or not to invest in real estate ultimately boils down to personal circumstances, financial objectives, and a deep understanding of the market. It's not merely about riding the wave of current trends. It involves comprehensive research, professional consultation, and aligning your investments with your overarching financial plans. So, in conclusion, navigating real estate in 2024 is a multifaceted decision. The risks are real, but so are the potential rewards. The real essence lies in making well-informed choices, grasping the nuances of the market dynamics, and aligning your investments with your long-term financial objectives. Now, if you've got some rental investments that you need help managing, then we highly recommend that you check out DoorLoop. It's an all-in-one property management software solution that's incredibly easy to use and has some of the best customer service in the industry. So if you're interested, click the link below to schedule the free demo with one of our account executives. They'll get to know what your specific needs are and show you everything that we have to offer in greater detail. Plus, with that link, you stand a chance to receive a limited time discount that we're offering on this video right now. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned to DoorLoop for all things property management. We'll see you soon, Loopers.